What is a popular Italian dish made with layers of pasta, meat sauce, and cheese? The answer is lasagna. Which spice is commonly used in Indian cuisine to add flavor to curries and other dishes? The answer is cumin. What is the name of the popular Japanese noodle soup made with pork or chicken broth, wheat noodles, and various toppings? The answer is ramen. Which type of fruit is often used in smoothies and desserts due to its sweet flavor and high water content? The answer is pineapple. What is the name of the popular Mexican dish made with a corn tortilla, various meats or cheeses, and salsa? The answer is tacos. Which type of coffee is known for its strong flavor and dark color due to the longer roasting time? The answer is espresso. What is a popular Chinese dish made with stir-fried vegetables, meat or seafood, and served over rice? The answer is stir-fry. Which type of pastry is often used to make desserts like quiches, tarts, and pies? The answer is puff pastry. What is the name of the popular Greek salad, made with tomatoes, cucumbers, red onions, feta cheese, and olives? The answer is Greek salad. Which type of cuisine is known for its use of spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric to add flavor to dishes? The answer is Indian cuisine.
If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your score below.